Yeah. So, how do you have an assigned place? So you just have to find an empty one when you come back.
And it's long enough now into the day, people are kind of rotating. That the place we just left, Savannah's was slammed full of cars. We had to come here to find cars. I don't know her. No, the roads were back up.